Yo, selector M.
Rum turn you to a dancer. Here we go, let we go. When he rum tell you you's a big dancer. Come show them you's a big dancer. Bend down if you's a big dancer. Waistline cause you's a big dancer. When he rum tell you you's a...
What's up, Seashells, it's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys are on the car mount, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit nervous because I don't know if it's put on properly. For some reason, I feel like it is not secure. You guys are rattling and shaking around like a little rag doll, but every time I touch it, it seems to be secure. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the start of Carnival week. Yes. Carnival is on Sunday. All right, I'm a little bit shy now because people are looking at me and looking in the camera. Are they? Or am I just delusional? Probably just delusional. Yeah, so it's the beginning of Carnival week. The thing is, honestly, I'm going to be 100% honest right now. I was not excited. I don't know what. I've heard other people say it too, that they're not really feeling the carnival spirit per se. I don't know what it is about this year, but something is off. The only time I really felt like, may I say, yeah, all right, this is the start of the carnival festivities, is when I went to this event called Republic Bush the other day. So it was like a paint party. It gave me J'ouvert vibes. So yeah, they were playing the soca and I was loving it. I was feeling every single moment of it. So I was like, all right, this I give me a little carnival vibes. And I've never been, well, I've been to J'ouvert one time, and that was years ago when it was at UE. Does UE have a J'ouvert? I think so, or they did. But I don't think I've officially told you guys that I'm going to be jumping with GenXS this year. And today is Easter Monday. And them say a couple of weeks can come collect our costumes. So I'm going to collect my costume. It wasn't going to miss me. So the actual date for me to collect my costume was it was supposed to be tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is Tuesday, so it's supposed to be tomorrow. But you know, if I get a little bus, why not take it? Next thing you know, tomorrow come and be a problem. Cannot manage that. So yeah, I like this little vibe. I like this little setup. I feel like you guys are very far from me though. And I feel like I have to be talking a little bit louder, and I have to be looking a little bit farther, you know, rather than when you guys were in my hand and I would just occasionally look down. Why did I take this road? Oh no. I had to come at 6:30. I left my house at 6. All right, it's 6:13 now. I'm in halfway tree. The distribution center is at AC Hotel, so that's where we're gonna go. Oh my god, this is just so much easier to do. More than having it in my hand, I can actually just drive and use my hands as my expression, because I talk a lot with my hands. Right now, I get a very giggly, bubbly, optimistic version of me, because 10-15 minutes ago, I was in tears. I was in tears. I always find it so funny how my emotions or my mood can just switch. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. GenXS J'ouvert is on, I think it's Saturday. I honestly do not remember. But I'm very unprepared this carnival season. Murder! Be slow. Yeah, I'm very unprepared this carnival season because I don't have any shoes. So this week, you know, I have to go try to find a shoes. My costume is blue. I don't want to tell you guys the costume. I mean, obviously, by the time when I see this video, y'all are already going to see what costume I'm getting or what I got already. So I don't even know why I'm trying to keep it a secret at this point. I'm getting Azula, okay? So it's kind of peacock inspired. It has like some deep blue, a little bit of green, and in the backpack it has some red. So I was kind of thinking of getting red shoes. So last year my costume was black, and in the backpack it had a little bit of green, so I got green shoes because I feel like it just, you know, make it stand out a little bit. So I was thinking of that. Tomorrow I'll have to go in halfway tree and see what I can do. I haven't gotten any stockings yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair yet, and I've been very, very tempted to just cut it off. I just can't be bothered right now. You realize I've been flinging on back my wig a lot more recently. Well, my gas is finishing. I need to buy gas. I should have known, because the other day when I went to Portland, I only put like 3 grand in there. It pushed me past half tank because I already had a little bit of bars on it, and it pushed me half tank. So yeah, it wasn't my usual top up that would have taken me, you know, all the way full. I also have some, oh shoot! These manholes, them need to do something about these manholes. It's either they're too deep, or they're wobbly, or it's too high. Like, how a manhole cover too high? That don't make no sense. I want to know if everybody's stupid. God, the copsies are here, and I have 2 phones in my lap. Let me put them down because I don't want ear set. Me I drive, I have phone on my lap. The key sometimes is not giving these police any eye contact. Just pretend they don't exist. Because you see, if you're gonna make eye contact with them now, then they're gonna say, you get over there. So when you don't look at them, you can't see if they're calling you or not. Found some free game. Oh my gosh, really? Like, just get the hell out of the way. What is going on this road? All right, it's now 6:19. I'm a little bit early, but I feel like a lot of people got the same idea to come earlier than the actual 6:30. I am starving. I haven't eaten all day. And I went out last night, and of course, I had a little drink. Or 3 or 5. I just had way too many damn drinks. Why does somebody have video me and me car? Murder. What's Shambert? I feel like I call everybody Bert. Actually, no, it depends. I have to like you. Oh, no, there's parking right there. I hate this parking. Because I always feel like I'm going to hit the pole. I'm not going to hit the pole today because we have a big driver. And this was stupid. Driver, we're a top driver. Are we? Oh, that is too close. Alright. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, gentle folks. It's time to get this show on the road. Do I really need this bag? I don't, but I'm gonna take my bag anyways. I have my tripod here. Should I put you guys on? Yeah, I will. It feels so weird to have a tripod because I'm literally just not used to having a tripod. I can't tell the last I've had a tripod. Crazy. So here it is, y'all. Distribution center. Right there. But some of them don't get so I'm gonna go see what they're going in with. Alright, so I'm at Starbucks. Just enough because I'm hungry, but I don't have time to buy food right now, so I'm just getting a Java chip. I'm not a Starbucks girly. I don't know the drinks or anything like that, so yeah, Shami and Sue outside are waiting for me to get this, so luckily in here it's empty and I can get what I want quickly. It's 6:34, so kind of want to go in now, get some content. I need to think about like a video idea that I can do for like a reel. So here's my Java chip with vanilla bean. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good? Yeah. Thank you. That's good. That is good. What you got? Java chip.
Oh, you like that? Oh, so you like the chocolate man?
Yeah.
Oh, so you probably like the pistachio business.
Dubai chocolate.
Yeah, because I was like,
chocolate
if anybody loves chocolate, we love it.
We like dark chocolate.
I do like dark chocolate.
Yeah. See?
You like bitters?
Yeah.
I like coffee then.
No.
Oh
Oh my gosh! I follow my people. Every time I say, I like coffee. Oh my god! You do like what?
But guys, here is Shambert and Subert in the building.
Seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, I'm sure.
Period.
Period.
Yeah. Hey. So this is how the J'ouvert. In the life.
Wait, do I
I'm kind of like on beat, you know?
Just to see what maybe makes sense.
So we're not doing anything. Yo, not now I'm doing that vlog.
Hey y'all, brand new day. What is Tuesday? And me and Shanida and Anna decided to go to this place called M10. Never been. M10. Get it together. And I just start walking on. Hey, you ain't give no directions.
No, but you just turn it on and even tell her. You know what? We said.
The bear looks nice. Interesting. This is why I like go with people, you know? No. This is why I don't go out with people. Because they hold my things hostage.
Who's calling my shit? Who's calling my shit?
Did you answer? Oh no, you hung up a while ago.
Who's calling my phone? Just spread it apart. Who's calling my phone?
Sorry. I am so sorry.
Hey guys, as you can see, it's the next day. It's a little bit chaotic right now, but I'm trying to find shoes. So I'm in Halfway Tree right now, and I'm gonna try to go to the kick store to see if them have any shoes. So my costume for the most part is blue, but y'all know me, I like a little pop of color. So I'm trying to see if they have any red shoes, and if not, then I'll just go with the typical blue shoes. However, one of my friends said that they checked.
Police reported ahead.
That's what I said. Anyways, one of my friends said that they checked in there and they didn't see any nice shoes. So I don't really know how to feel about that, because I really need some shoes. Bro, are these people okay? Like, so where I go? Me just big and brawling of my camera all over the place. Why am I funny? Can I park right here? Yeah, I will park right here. No, I'll go further. Oh, okay, I parked facing in. I never do that. When I just started learning how to drive, I always used to do that because I felt like backing in was so hard. And now, since I've gotten so used to backing in, I don't know how to drive into a space now. It's always lean, like that was so embarrassing. But someone was behind me and I still get a little bit jittery when people are behind me, and you know. Anyways, we're in Tropical Plaza now. Where's my card? Alright, my card is here. Probably can't put it on. Oh my gosh, like my costume and everything is still in the car. I haven't done the unboxing yet because people in my life is just all over the place right now. Okay, just bear with me. Tie up my bag. Coming in there, foolish. Dear God, please let today be smooth sailing. Let nothing happen to me on the road. Let nothing happen to my car. Let no one steal anything from me. In your precious name I pray, amen. I literally always have to say a prayer anytime I'm going on the road, especially during like a busy season, because things just always happen. Anyways, I reached the kick store now, and they're having a buy one get two free situation. I don't even know if I can vlog, but we'll see. These are my options: red or purple. This is what my wings look like. So you see, you have the red
So red, but it also has purple, which could go with that. But I feel like the red would have bring it out more. It's actually buy one get two free, so I picked this and this so that. Alright, shoes secured. Boy, would I look good or not tonight? I go here because I tried to find another shoe that I think would look good with it, but them not have none. Honestly, they don't really have anything that I would like. I feel like everything that I would pick, the only thing that came to mind were shoes that I could wear to the gym, shoes that I could wear on an excursion, or shoes that I don't mind getting messed up, or you know, yeah. Anyways, it was buy one get two free, so you get 3 shoes for the price of 1. Although I don't really think one of them shoes I did wear 10 grand still, because I paid 10 grand for the 3 of them. Low-key feel kind of scammed, but it's whatever. I'm supposed to go to Cafe Dolce with Shaquille. We were trying to find the one on Constant Spring, but we don't know it there. So we're gonna go to the one in Barbican. So I'm going to meet her now. I'll see you guys when we get there, or maybe not. I might see you guys when I get home. I don't know. I need to go back to AC Hotel because I need some extra strings for my backpack. I don't know if I'm gonna go for that today or if I'm gonna go for that tomorrow. Let's see how I feel. This is the, but it's Dubai chocolate pistachio cinnamon wrap, and she got the same thing but on ice. The 3.
Stop making the face like I'm making cheese. It's like Milo now. Tastes like ice Milo. It's like cocoa powder with Milo. She's like powder with a little wrap. This tastes better. No, what's that? No. The ice for the wing. The ice tastes better. When you know. I got banana bread. Yeah, please make it taste good. Is it a It's just the food. The worst place to bring Shelby is a coffee place. Sit down right. Nice one. It's not too sweet. I'm going to say it's so sweet. Mushroom. Very mushroom. Yeah, tell me that one. I'm good, bro. Imagine not eating anything from mine and fucking please. No worry, I'm getting my egg sandwich soon. I'm getting a panini. I don't really like sweets. So, there's that. Thank you. I'm not going to be here. Spicy tuna mousse. I don't even know how I taste this now because I have to sweet things anymore. No, I said we taste it. That's a tuna. Yeah. I don't like it. So I don't know when I try it. Especially when you make up a fry out to dry. You're like dry. Anyway, John. Bye.
So I am going back home now. The date is done. We chat and we laugh and we eat and we whatever. But excuse me, I'm gonna go home now. A while ago, can I even do this? We're not supposed to do this, but I gotta do it anyways. Surprisingly, I found stockings because I've been wanting stockings and I didn't have a fanny pack. So I got a red fanny pack and I got V-cut stockings. I didn't think I was gonna find V-cut stockings in Fontana, so I'm very happy about that. And the price never seemed too bad because I think if my memory serves me correctly, I paid $4,000 for stockings last year. And in Fontana, I saw the same stockings I bought last year for $4,000 for $3,000 something. So I'm very happy about that because I was going to go back to AC Hotel and go back to the post where they would have the stockings available and buy it, but I'm glad we never go. So yeah. I keep forgetting that this is not a one win. That's that. I'm going to go home and I need to try on my costume because I need to make sure everything fits. I don't know why I may behave so nonchalant about everything right now, and I don't know what fits from what does not fit. Also, I need to go home and finish editing my vlog. I have not posted my vlog from 2 weeks ago. I haven't been in the best of mental states, so what the hell is going on? So I should have followed back at the taxi man there and just ride the sidewalk. Anyways, guys, I think I need to just focus on the road right now. The vlog is gonna be so long. I'm already dreading the editing process. Trying to find all type of different routes to take right now because I am not. Should I just take this road and done? Yeah. I gotta stick right aside. I am not in the mood to say, no! I shouldn't have taken right here. But I came on this road and now there's traffic. Anyways, guys, let's don't talk to them.
Sweatpants, head tied, chilling with no makeup on. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Yeah. Recognize bitch.
So, I'm home and I have 1,000,001 bag and pan. Should I open my J'ouvert bag and show you guys what's inside? I think I should. Alright, so we're gonna do an unboxing for the J'ouvert bag, right? Because I have no idea what's in there. The costume is in there, which you guys already saw. So I got this GenXs Immortals cup, and this is a Smirnoff cup. What is this inside? This is the ticket. Yeah, this is the ticket that's inside. I love cups. If you guys know me, you know I love cups. Ooh, I got some Mielle Organics hair products. I know this is for natural hair though, so I might just end up giving this away to somebody with natural hair because I don't need it. Or I could use it for my curly wigs. Yeah, scratch that, I'm keeping it. I have a curl smoothie. I used to use these products all the time in my natural hair, so I know they're good. Then again, them changed up the formula still, so I didn't even know. I also got a strengthening shampoo, and I'm guessing is either the rest of them are also shampoos or probably conditioner. I can't but I open all of that right now. This looks like it's either a bonnet or a scarf. Not opening that either. And then I got mousse. One thing would be I love me some mousse. So this is a mango and tulsi silk texture mousse. It's for wavy, coily, and curly hair types. I can definitely use this in my wig because I don't have any mousse for my wigs. Me should I read this for Instagram reading, because no, I have to go redo it when I reach inside and behave excited. Like me never see what in the bag already. Oh my gosh, Shelby, you had one job. Anyways, we also got, what is this? Got a little aloe vera gel. Oh, we get snacks. Ripe plantain chips. Pasta. We got pasta. Y'all know I love making some pasta. Oh, more aloe vera gel. I guess it's a tag. I guess I could put it on like luggage, for example. So if it gets lost, they can call me. So it has name, address, city, phone number, all that wonderful stuff. Alright. Alright. Yes, I got some Alka-Seltzer. Shami, oh whoa. Shami put me onto this a couple months ago when one time I did drunk out of my mind and I felt so sick and throwing up myself, and she introduced me to that, and that actually helps to settle your stomach. So good idea. Ah, this is what I'm smelling. I don't know, I feel like something like that way. So this is mosquito repellent. I'm so happy for this. Oh, I love this, I love this, I love this. So this is Benjamin's No Bites. It smells like DEET. From the open the bag, I say, what is that familiar smell? Because I remember one time when I went to Breadbush many years ago, I sprayed DEET on myself. But it's a very it's a very familiar scent and it's very strong. More aloe vera gel. And some vitamin C. Enough things in I look back though. This is One Wash Auto. I can save 25% off if I use this coupon. Need that. Doorstep JA. Free delivery when I use the promo code for all of April. When I use the code, I get a Hyundai gift coupon. I guess we can get $350,000 off. if I buy a Hyundai. I'm not buying a Hyundai. And some whole heap of other little something. Oh, I'm definitely gonna need this. This is a Burt's. This is a Burt's coupon code. I need some parts. Or probably can give daddy. You need some parts right now if you care. So thank you very much. That is very handy. Got a J'ouvert. It's like a scarf or kerchief, whatever you want to call it. All-purpose cooling lotion. Snow cologne. I have no idea what this is. Enough things in your mind. I got a lip balm, got trail mix, and last but not least, I got a phone, waterproof phone case, like phone protector. Yeah, and the new little bag is just so cute too. It's a lot of stuff actually. It is quite a good amount of things. I love that. I feel like I have a purpose for all of these things, so we're not going by that GenXs. We're not going by that not bad if you ask me. We're gonna go upstairs and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Okay, yeah. Alright, so I just got ready to go do my lashes. Yeah, so it's after 8 now. I normally don't do my lashes this late, but this is the only time I can get it done, and if I don't get it done now, the only other available time would be Saturday evening, and that is not a good idea. So I'm gonna take my ass and do it now, even though I really want to sleep. So I think I'll pick you guys up when I'm leaving, because I'm not gonna record when I'm there, honestly, truly, because I just don't want to. I bought the slides that I bought today. So I bought 2 sneakers and some slides that I would just either wear around the house or wear when I'm running to do some errands, and I think they're so cute. I put on socks because my toes aren't done, and yes, I know I have on 2 different foot of socks, but like, I think these slides are so cute. They're a little bit big, but it's not that serious. Let's go. Tomorrow I'll take whatever pictures of my lashes, because I'm not combing my hair right now. I'm not in the mood to comb any hair. So here what, gonna leave my camera. I'll chit chat with you guys either later or tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day and I just got my nails done. Period. 1, the nail place, never 2. I'm currently in halfway tree. I'm trying to get my hair done. I left my camera at home. Honestly, I kind of rushed out this morning when I was leaving the house. So I'm gonna have my bag, I'm gonna have my camera, I'm gonna have nothing. My hair's a mess. I was going to try to wash my hair myself today, so the time would go a little bit quicker when I would be at the hairdresser. Why I can't talk? Yeah, I didn't want the time fly a little bit faster when I go hairdresser, so she could just do what she's doing and finish. But no, she gonna have to wash my hair. Maybe, I don't know. I don't even plan to keep in this style for too long, because there's something about ponytails when I just cannot stand. I can't sleep because a lot of times I sleep on my back. So yeah, anyways, my phone, it says phone footage until otherwise. I'm currently at Santi. So Santi is the hairdresser that normally does my sew-ins. Right, she normally does my sew-ins, and she has someone doing right now. She's doing a wig on them, so she said she'd be ready in the next hour. So I got there around 2:40-ish, and it's about 3:30 right now. I just ordered some pizza because I'm hungry, and I got her some food too. She doesn't know that I'm getting her food, so if she don't want it, then more for me. But if she wants it, then, you know, yeah. I really need to tip my car because everybody's passing and just staring at me talking to my phone. Anyways, I don't think I showed you guys the nails properly, but this is what they look like. Crazy. Initially I was gonna put a whole peacock on it and everything, but I knew that I would hate it after Carnival, so I just told her to just do something that I won't hate after Carnival, and I will not hate these after Carnival. They're simple, but them have a little, you know, yeah. Good.
Ella quiere ra, ra, ra. Ella quiere ra, 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 ra. Ella quiere ra, ra, quiere ra, 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 ra.
My gosh, I can't tell unless I've spoken to you guys. Jesus, in a hectic couple of days. I got my hair done. It's currently straight now. We're gonna pay that no mind. My edges are messed up. We're also just not gonna pay that any mind. Long story short, I went to GenXS J'ouvert last night and this is the result. My edges are fighting for their lives, but guess what? I kind of don't care because my headpiece is gonna cover all of this anyway, so I'm not even stressed about trying to fix that back. The only thing I'm gonna do, or I'm thinking of doing, is doing some sock curls. Like the hair is literally straight. I'm thinking of doing some sock curls, or honestly I might just leave it like this. Like, I genuinely just don't care. The face card eats. My lashes are done. Yeah. So remember the same lash tech that I went to the last time, but I wasn't really like a huge fan of the shape. So we got the shape right this time. Like she angle. I told her to add some blue to it because I think from J'ouvert last night, the excitement is now here. I'm here right now talking to you guys because I'm going to pack my fanny pack from now. I'm going to find a fan. I need a fan to take with me. I need to find a charger for this fan. I'm gonna eat this right now. That's why I'm gonna complain when we get snacks in my goodie bag them, because at the end of the day has to end, and the day has to end with a snack. So I shall be eating this now because I ain't cooking. My costume is right there with my fanny pack. So I need to know, well, I need to see what can fit in here from now, because I want to take my, all right, so here what, really wish I had that DJI camera right now, but I think I'm gonna put this in my bag. I'm gonna take this fan. If my power bank can hold in there, I will be putting it in there. Initially I was thinking of not taking my camera and just using my phone, but really I want the quality to eat. I want the quality to eat, so I am gonna take my camera. I don't have no storage on my phone, and the other phone, no, I just want my camera. It's fine. I'll be okay. I think I took my camera last year and I was fine. As long as there's no paint, there's no water. It's not like it was J'ouvert last night where absolutely not take this. I'm not taking any IV or any of those things. I don't need those things to get lost. I'm sorry. I'm taking one card. Tomorrow I will draw some cash. Actually, I will just take the blotting powder. The Fenty blotting powder. Power bank and blotting powder. Yes, my inner manity. Okay, just mind your business. This is my fanny pack. It has a bunch of parts. I really like this fanny pack. One here, one here, and one on the back. Like, how sway. Blotting powder. See, at this I can't bother with no, you know. I don't want it too big and bulky. A fan, Nature Valley, Alka-Seltzer, Alka-Seltzer. Right, I have space for my phone. When I'm doing my makeup, you know, I'll put my lip balm and actually, I think there's an extra lip balm in this goodie bag. I haven't decided which cup I'm going to take with me. I low-key do not want to drink too much on the road. So, this is the cup that we got. This is the GenXS cup. This does not match my outfit in the slightest. And I don't like that. So I have a cup that I might just use instead. This is such a nice bag though. Like, I really have to give it to them. I really love this bag. I got this little truck from Red Bull. So let us do a tiny unboxing because they're just so unserious, bro. This is so cool. This is so cool. A literal Red Bull truck? Like, come on. They give you wings. Ta-da! So I got 2 Red Bull and a gift. What is this? Another bag! Oh my god, I'm full of bag. I love another tote. Thank God. Whenever I'm going on the road now, I can use this bag because I don't have a bag that's big enough to bring my laptop whenever I want to go on the road, because every single time I'm on the road, I always have to be having my laptop in my hand while I have my bag on my shoulder, and it's just so annoying. So I'm really happy for this little tote. This is so cute. Ah! Never miss a fit. Thank you, Red Bull. I love you guys. Like, Red Bull is always taking care of me. I appreciate them so much. And it has a pocket on the outside too. What's in here? So I could literally just put it right back where I got it. We're gonna put this under because I have not done the unboxing for my Instagram story. So tomorrow I'm gonna do it and act like a surprise that I never see it. I'll be like, oh my god, this is so cool. I'm kidding. I'm just going to post it. I can't do the theatrics. Like every time I open something, that's why most of my impressions or my first impressions whenever I do them on the internet, they're genuinely my first impressions. Because I can't know if I open something and then I'm gonna have to fake like I never saw what was in there. You know? So anyways guys, my battery is dying. I'm gonna go to bed. I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, Jamaica. It's jump day. I wish I could have screamed like a louder. At the beginning of the week, I was not excited. But you see from J'ouvert, Friday Jam. Good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time. Only thing I didn't get to do this year were new tooth gems, but I'm never have time for that, master. But it's okay because I still look cute. I still look good. It's after 8 now. I should have started getting ready already, but I don't know. It's like excitement overload. I'm gonna go take a shower and start my face. I'm gonna lay out everything from last night. The costume is laid out, shoes laid out. The stuff are in the fanny pack. I made sure to charge the fan overnight so that it's charged and good to go. Do I know the makeup look I'm doing? No. But I'm also not too worried about it because one, my entire forehead is going to be basically covered. My lashes literally have blue in them, so I don't want to go overboard and do a bag of eye makeup. Plus the headpiece kind of dangles in my eye, so you ain't gonna see it anyways. I don't know, I might do a like a ombre red lip. I don't know, it depends on what I'm feeling. I made sure to charge my 2 batteries, so yeah. Oh, I just love this new angle. Ever since I got the car mount, since I have 2 now, I keep one in the car and I keep one in here when I want to put it on my mirror, so I can finally get a direct angle and I can stop using that camera trick. Like the camera is here and it shows in the mirror. Anyways, me chat too much. Actually, started to run late now. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all because I don't like the rush, you know. But at the same time, I'm not stressing about it because I don't want to be on the road all day. So yeah, put some thoughts on it. Taking a little cool out. It's chaotic on the road. It's very chaotic out there. Wanna see this? Right. J'ouvert did nice.
Yeah, them J'ouvert.
Oh gosh, man.
If I have to go back and
No, but that's why other bands come to GenXS J'ouvert because GenXS J'ouvert is the J'ouvert to be.
Yeah, man, it did. I'm literally right here, but ain't no food here.
Excuse me. We want
pasta. It's about time. How's the sky experience?
Right now, I'm heading over here to go get my massage.
Right. And you must be wondering, what the hell am I doing in the sky experience?
I mean, she's just like